Hi everyone, this is Lucy. It's a beautiful Sunday afternoon here in Puerto Rico, and I'm cooking today in my backyard. I'm preheating my barbecue grill, and I'm making mouth-watering roll flank steak. My Lola is ready, and my tripod is ready, and my barbecue is preheating at least 15 minutes prior. This is a gorgeous way of serving grilled steak. For the ingredients, I'm going to blend together 3 small shallots. I'm going to cut them in little pieces, put them in my mixer, together with about 1 cup of parsley, and this is Italian parsley, 2 teaspoons of ground black pepper, 2 teaspoons of salt, 4 to 6 garlic cloves, and about 2 teaspoons of sage, and this is dry sage. Blend them together with about 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and this is going to form a paste. So I have here my 3 flank steaks. It's about 1 pound each. My mixture of the shallots and parsley. Provolone cheese, all depends how much cheese you want to put inside each steak. 12 slices of cooked ham, and 12 bamboo skewers, and 12 pieces of kitchen twine. The kitchen twine should be about 12 inches long. I'm going to butterfly each steak by slicing them horizontally all the way across, leaving about 1/2 of an inch in the center to hold them together. Make sure your knife is very sharp and long. Open the steaks and then cover with a piece of parchment paper or plastic wrap, and with a mallet pound them until you get an even thickness all the way across the steak. Then I'm going to spread about 1 full tablespoon of the paste mixture. Lay on that mixture a piece of the sliced cooked ham, and then cover the ham with the cheese. Then we're going to roll them. Make sure you hold them tight and roll the steak very tightly. Put the seam in the bottom, and then with the kitchen twine we're going to tie them, using about 4 pieces of kitchen twine in each steak. Each kitchen twine should be tied about 2 inches apart. So the entire roll should have about 4 pieces. Then I'm going to slice right in between the kitchen twine. Once We cut the rolls, then we insert a skewer right across, starting in the seam. Right where the seams end, right there, insert the skewer. And we are ready to go to the grill. Remember, the amount of ingredients and the instructions for this recipe are in the description below this video. Now I'm making corn on the cob, so I'm going to prepare for two, just to try these delicious steaks before the rest of the family comes over. I place them in the grill, let them cook for about 6 minutes, and I'm going to lower the temperature to medium. I'm going to flip them and leave them to cook for an additional 6 minutes, just about. And the temperature is reaching about 450 degrees Fahrenheit inside the grill. You cook the steaks according to your liking. You can leave it less time if you like a medium rare, or you can even leave it a little longer if you like it well done. Don't forget to remove the skewer and the kitchen twine before serving. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. I hope to see you in my next video. Buen provecho. Bye bye.